What you found?
And I found it. Where's that? It's on the back of my side. All night. I don't even know where. I have no idea.
If they think you're gay and they want you to be gay, and they will spend all their money if you are gay, let's go out there and be gay.
What are they waiting on? Now, come on. Open that door.
Open the door!
What's going on? We need a job in here.
It's about time.
No,
It's about time. Wait.
Where are you?
Oh, yeah. Well,
No, just move it. Move it. All right, you go.
Damn civil service.
Get out of the way.
That old bugger left me all alone.
Thank you, David, for everything. I mean it.
He was my best friend. At least I was the only one that could tolerate him. You know, we're family. We're all family.
Thanks, David.
And I'll have to find a new fishing partner. No, at my age, I'll go fishing by myself.
Hola, you here for the condom taster? First, you know cantista. First, you gotta pick the tomato.
Canto. And I want my certificate. I think I got a tomato fungus. Look at me! You can tell about the time Mrs. Hands-On Holly kept us in detention for spitballing her ass.
Martin, that was high school.
Oh, come on. Everybody's got that one teacher that... I can't believe the outfits that woman got away with. The way she would check her homework with those low-cut blouses. She gave us her complete, undivided attention. Those were the best attentions we ever had.
Ever had one of those days? Like everything's going your way. Every day's a good day to party. Wing House, doing it better for...
Jim, find out why it's taking so long for anybody to look at that lighting proposal.
Yes, sir.
How many people does it take to change a light bulb in here? Give me some light over here. This ain't good enough. Change it. Oh, this ain't good either. Bring me another one. Change it. You're gonna get signed! See you. Oh! Goodbye! Oh, it looks like you have an electronic timer.
Yeah, and what do you have?
I have an older mechanical one, but it's similar.
So how do I set my timer to skip a week?
On the week you don't want to use it, you turn it off. And the week you do want to use it, you turn it back on.
Even I could do that.